किए तैसा निकलेंगे बोल के ना।
तो अब कर लो ना, मेरे को नहीं आता है।
Is it echoing now? It's not. Hi.
Hi, Mohit.
Sorry, I was just testing if my audio is working okay with two systems,
Yeah.
the echo.
Finally, we get to see you and Deepti together.
Yay!
Yeah.
So, Deepti, you can also turn your camera. I want to see you together. Not here.
स्वाति कुछ और मांगते वो मिल जाता, ये तो होना ही था इवेंचुअली।
ये नहीं हो पा रहा. I can't see you, Deepti.
Yeah, and I just figured that I'm showing a blank screen. Let me see. Oh, I think I know.
दीप्ति दिखेगी तो मेरे लिए बोलना मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
Oh yeah, now we can see you.
Distraction.
I like your earrings.
Distraction बोलती बंद.
गेम से मजा आएगा.
Let's see.
Hi, Adi. Welcome back.
Hello.
Hi. So, I think we can request all others to turn on their cameras.
Yes, guys, turn on your cameras.
Should we start or are we waiting for some more?
I think we can start in 2 minutes.
Yeah, by the way, Iqbal messaged me. He's not well, so he won't be able to join, but that's okay. I can probably, you know, do the oath taking on his behalf. He's okay with that, but he's not well.
Yeah, he is not.
Could I request the tech master to give me the co-host as well?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Should I start?
Yes.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Firstly, a very happy new year and hoping that 2021 is a bit less unpredictable, unlike 2020. At least wish same to you guys.
Happy New
Same to
Year!
you,
Happy New
Saiba.
Year.
Okay. Ringing in the new year is itself a cause for celebration. And today's meeting has become much more special because we are going to install our newly elected club officers from January to July. Welcome everyone to the ninth meeting of New Delhi Toastmasters and a first meeting for 2021. As we enter this fresh year with new resolutions and realizations, it is time for our incoming leaders to reflect on the past and establish their goals for the upcoming term. They are now the ones who will be helping us fulfilling our resolution of joining Toastmasters. With every new step, we should also acknowledge the previous ones who have helped us reach where we are. The club today is what it is because of the outgoing EC, and it depends on the new incoming EC what it will be next. With this, let us begin the installation ceremony for today, and I would like to invite our installation officer, who is none other than Toastmaster Mohit. He is the present area director of Area P2, District 41, and also a club sponsor. Please help me welcome Toastmaster Mohit.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Saiba. Hello, everybody. Wish you a very happy new year. And every time I come here, it seems it's got something to do with the elections. I, I hope I find more reasons to come and attend, work with you all in the coming year, 2021. With that, like, wish you the very best. All right, so I'm here for a very important reason today. Like Toastmaster Saiba said, this is an important day for the new EC, which takes charge. And it's also very important and essential for us to say thank you to the outgoing EC because they've done a lot of work, especially this club has seen a uh, lot of new things. The entire coming up of the club, the the strong foundation that the outgoing EC has built. It's really commendable. So I would like to request the outgoing EC to pay attention and switch on their videos if you can. And I'll want to see you all in like one frame, click a picture of you, and then say thank you to you. So let me just call out your names, and if possible, please keep your videos on. Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Richa Sanghai. Do we have Toastmaster Richa? Hi. Okay, let me just spotlight you, and I'll keep adding the outgoing team in the spotlight so we can click a picture of all of you together. Our outgoing treasurer, Toastmaster Tariq Ashraf. All right, there you are. Tariq, can I request you to switch your video on?
Yes. Just a minute.
Sure, not a problem. Meanwhile, I'll request our secretary, the outgoing secretary, Toastmaster Astha Agarwal. Okay, hi Astha. Our outgoing Vice President of Public Relations, Toastmaster Saiba Agarwal. Hi. Our outgoing VP membership, Swati, Toastmaster Swati Yadav. There you are. Hello.
Hello.
Vice President Education, Toastmaster Muhammad Iqbal. Okay, Toastmaster Muhammad Iqbal, can I request you to switch on your...
Bal is not here.
Oh, sorry, Iqbal is not here. Okay, sorry. Yeah, Iqbal is not here. Our outgoing president, Toastmaster Rohan, where are you?
He's also not here.
Oh, okay, that's quite disappointing. We all love to hear Toastmaster Rohan every time, isn't it? Anyway, so we've got all of you here. Whoever is present is here, I believe. So thank you very much. On behalf of Toastmasters International District 41, I thank all of you for your accomplishments, and I salute you for your service. You are discharged from further duties and responsibilities as officers of New Delhi Toastmasters Club, club number 7827937. Thank you very much. And before we let you go, I would like to do a little fun thing. Although this is a formal, serious kind of business, but there's no harm in being a little funny and entertaining, isn't it? So I would give you 30 seconds, and all of you have to think of a word. This activity is called one word. Okay, so you all have 30 seconds, and you have to think of one word and write it on a sheet of paper which describes your tenure as the EC of New Delhi Toastmasters in just one word. And your 30 seconds start now. If all of you are done, just let me know. Are you done? Okay, fantastic. We would like to see what you've written. If you could show it to us, and if somebody can help me click a picture of all of them with that one word. I don't know if that'll work, but let's give it a try. Can we have your words? Toastmaster Astha, yeah.
Roller coaster.
Roller
But you
coaster.
can't see it.
Okay, I can't see it. Okay, no worries. Roller coaster for Astha. Okay. And what about others?
So I've written a fresh start.
Fresh start. Okay, wonderful. Those are two words, but that's okay. Press start for Muhammad Tariq. Okay, what about others?
I've written entertainment.
Entertainment, wonderful. Okay, what about you, Richa?
Adventurous.
Adventurous. Okay, that's great. Yes, it was full of adventure. And Saiba, what about you?
Written design, design, and design.
Design. Ah, what does that mean though? Design.
Because that is what my work revolved around. Every time thinking of a new design that I can incorporate.
He was PR, no?
Ah, I see. Okay, wonderful. So design, adventure, entertainment, fresh start, and roller coaster. I'm sure all of you had a lot of fun in the journey. And if you would like to share a few words, that would be great. Any of you about this?
I'll miss the EC meetings.
Sorry?
I'll miss the EC meetings.
Oh, okay. You'd love to know what happens in those meetings.
Yeah, I'll be now FOMO.
Yeah, you can always attend it, though nobody's stopping you from attending, I believe.
But
You
yes,
still
in a way, I'm
contribute.
relieved that I don't have any responsibility at least.
You
Yeah.
have, you have.
Oh,
The entertainment goes on, Swati.
yeah.
Okay, what about you, Richa? Anything you'd like to share?
It was really fun and full of experiences, and I learned a lot during these 3 to 4 months. It was nice, very nice.
Great. Yep. Okay, Tariq, what do you have to say?
So as I mentioned, it was a fresh start. We were reeling under a really difficult path, and it was really difficult for all of us. The best part was that the whole EC, all the members, the club members, they all built this club from the scratch and did everything on our own. That was the most important and the difficult part. And I believe we have been successful in passing over the baton to the new EC, and hopefully the new EC that is incoming will take care of our club in a better way.
Thanks, Tariq. All right, anybody else has anything else to say, Astha?
I'm just having fun in this so much. I never thought I will be doing things like we all did. And easy meetings were the best.
Oh,
It's our little secret.
ah, yeah. Looks like you have more fun in the EC meetings than the regular meetings. All right, okay. Fantastic. Once again, thank you very much for all the work that you have done being the club officers for New Delhi Toastmasters. And can somebody click a picture before we move ahead for me, please, Techmaster? All right, thank you. Thank you. Let's have a round of applause. Can we have all of us unmute ourselves and do a applause? Thank you. Thank you so much. And now it is time for the new officers. When I call your name, I will request you to switch on your video so I can add you into this panel. And we would all love to see you all together once again, just like the outgoing EC. So let me call out your names. Our new Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Suchit Arora. Suchit Arora, yeah, there you are.
Hi.
Hi, Suchit.
How are you?
Hey, I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm good as well.
Good to see you.
Likewise.
All right, our treasurer, Toastmaster Muhammad Iqbal. But Iqbal is not here. So we'll go on to our secretary, Toastmaster Tariq Ashraf. Tariq is already here. Hi, Tariq. Our VP PR, Toastmaster Manvi.
Hi, Mohit.
Hi, Toastmaster Manvi. VP Membership, Toastmaster Chehek Jain.
Hey.
Hello. Oh, there you are. Hi, Chehek. VP Education, Toastmaster Richa Sanghai. She's already here. And our president, Toastmaster Astha Agarwal. All right. I'll just,
Hi.
hey. Okay. Let's see. So all of you, right? Okay. So I'm here to install the officers of New Delhi Toastmasters Club number 7827937 and to prepare you for the challenges that lie ahead. Your collective challenge is to make this club strong and dedicated to helping people from all walks of life to listen with sensitivity, to think creatively, and speak in an effective manner. As I briefly describe the responsibilities of each officer, I'll ask him or her to place your hand on your heart and and take this oath and say I will. So I'll start with Toastmaster Suchit Arora. Toastmaster Suchit Arora, the duties of Sergeant at Arms are to reserve the meeting space with proper authorities, make sure all supplies and materials are properly distributed and displayed at meetings, greet guests and members, call the meeting to order at scheduled time. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Congratulations, Suchit, and good luck. Toastmaster Muhammad Iqbal, the duties of treasurer are to collect dues from the members, send the dues and membership renewal reports to Toastmasters International, pay the club's expenses. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability? I am, yeah, I'll take the oath on his behalf. I will. All right. Toastmaster Tariq Ashraf, the duties of secretary are to keep an accurate record of the members, submit the officers list to Toastmasters International after the election, and keep the club charter, constitution, bylaws, and minutes. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Congratulations and good luck, Toastmaster Tariq. Toastmaster Manvi Kumar, the duties of Vice President Public Relations. Toastmaster Manvi Kumar, the duties of Vice President Public Relations are to promote the club to local media, spread the word about membership programs, and attend Toastmasters events. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Congratulations, Manvi, and wish you good luck. Toastmaster Chehek Jain, as Vice President of Membership, your duties are to conduct ongoing membership building programs, explain the education program to prospective members and ask them to join, and follow up on new members and absent members. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Congratulations, Toastmaster Chehek, and wish you good luck. Toastmaster Richa Sanghai, the duties of Vice President Education are to plan successful meetings to help members achieve their educational goals, orient new members to Toastmasters as soon as they join, and monitor members' progress. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Congratulations, Toastmaster Richa, and I wish you good luck for your role. Toastmaster Astha Agarwal, having been elected as the president of the club, you are its chief executive officer and will be expected to preside over all the meetings of the club at all regular and special meetings of the executive committee. It's your challenge to see that this club enables its members to achieve their educational goals. It's also your challenge to see your club helps the area, division, district, and Toastmasters International to meet their goals. Please keep your hand on your heart and take this oath that you will act as a member of your team and a leader. A team is more than a collection of people. It's achievement sharing. It's an emotional force rooted in the feelings, thoughts, and actions of all members with the common goal of achieving, sharing, and mutual support. You will work with your team members to create a healthy, dynamic club, a club of which everyone will be proud. Will you, as president, accept this challenge and perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Congratulations, Toastmaster Astha, and wish you good luck. I would uh, actually, before I move on, I have something for you as well, right? A little fun activity for you as well. So this one is called How Do You Feel? So you can think of an emoticon, and these are just some examples. You have to draw an emoticon about how you feel about taking up this challenge as the new
Asta
club
feels like the
officer.
eighth one.
You could
Asta feels like the eighth one, the one in the center in the last row.
yeah, you could draw something on a piece of paper and then we will see what you have. All right, your time starts now. You could, these are just some examples. It could be
I
this
can't
or
see the
anything else.
options.
Can't you see, Asta, can you see on the screen some of these examples? Any emoticon that describes how you're feeling about the EC officer role. All right, are we done? All right, let's see what you've got. Can you show it to all of us? Let's go one by one. Let's start with Toastmaster Suchit. We can't hear you, Suchit. If you could switch on your...
Yeah, actually, I lost a bit of a connection. We had to choose one or
draw anyone, any emoticon that describes your feeling as you take up this role.
Well, the only emoticon that I can, I haven't drawn though, but yeah, is a good, nice smile.
Okay, I hope you keep smiling all through the term.
Cheeks. Yeah.
Good luck. All right. With pink cheeks, you said?
Yeah, the emoticon with the pink cheeks.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah.
Toastmaster Tariq. Oh, well, that's very cute. And that kind of resembles what Toastmaster Suchit had in mind.
Yeah.
Thank you, Toastmaster Tariq. What about you, Manvi? We can't see. Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, my God. Would you like to explain what that would mean, Toastmaster Manvi?
Yes, I actually draw this because this one is my favorite on WhatsApp. And the other thing is that I love to be crazy many times and spread happiness and make others happy. That can be in any form, like it can be in devilish way, it can be in any form. So that is what I feel.
Wow, that's amazing. Look forward to uh, this crazy madness and happiness in the coming days and months. Thank you, Toastmaster Manvi. Let's move on to Toastmaster Chehek. Oh, nice. Would you like to share a few words on that, Chehek?
Yeah, it's just to denote the new EC, right? We are all
Very
going to
smart.
yeah.
She's cool with the role.
Cool, yeah, exactly.
Wonderful. Thank you, Toastmaster Chehek. And Toastmaster Richa. It was a little unclear, at least to me. Nice. Oh, that's nice. Would you like to share a few words, Richa, on that?
Very, very excited.
Yeah. It resembles the Santa cap. Wonderful. Thank you, Toastmaster Richa. And
Santa who will give us speeches, speech slots and roles.
yeah. And Toastmaster Astha. Oh. What is that going to mean?
Ready for the fun.
Ready for the fun. Great. Okay. Thank you very much. That was really fun. And I hope that let's have a round of applause for all of you and let's click a picture of all of you together. I hope somebody is doing that for me, please. Thank you.
Maybe
All right.
everybody can hold their emoticons on the video and then we can click a picture.
Yeah. Could we do that?
I can click the picture.
Okay. Thank you, Toastmaster Deepthi.
Okay. Manvi can't see your emoticon. Suchit, you can quickly draw the pink blushing cheeks.
It is now my pleasure to declare these Toastmasters installed into the offices to which they have been elected. Let's have a round of applause. Thank you. And now, before I close, I'm not sure how I'm doing on time, but I'll take another 5 minutes and I should be done. I would now request everybody, all the members, to keep their hand on their heart and take this oath. The growth and development of the Toastmasters program in New Delhi Toastmasters Club, club number 782-7937, depends largely on the actions of this entire group. On your honor as men and women of Toastmasters, will you pledge to individually and collectively stand by this club, live with it, and work with it throughout the tenure of the next 6 months? All of you, please keep your hand on your heart and say, I will.
I will.
I will.
I will.
I will.
I wish
Swati
New
ma'am
Delhi.
said I will.
Sorry, Toastmaster Tariq.
Swati has said I will.
We will
Yeah.
keep this in recording.
Yeah.
I will
wish-
do as much as I can.
All right. I wish New Delhi Toastmasters Club all the very best and a very successful next 6 months. I will now turn control over to our new president, Toastmaster Astha Agarwal. Let's have a round of applause.
Yeah, am I audible and visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So firstly, Happy New Year, everyone. It's a new year. It's a new year and a new sets of responsibility that I'm looking forward with open hearts. It's surreal that I'm addressing you all as the president of New Delhi Toastmasters today. Firstly, I'd like to thank you, every member, every outgoing member of the EC and the incoming members of the EC, for the constant support and motivation. It is because all of your trust. And my only New Year resolution is to make sure that I keep up with the trust and take this club to new heights. My vision is to see this club achieve all the goals and make it to a president distinguished club. We aim to have a minimum 30 members by January end. We, as the EC members, noticed our guest groups to be a little inactive, and thus we brought the initiative Resolution 2021 to make it more active. By that, we motivate the people to join Toastmaster and how that can be the best resolution they can take for themselves. We have various new, fun, and innovative initiatives lined up for you guys. My main focus will be to make sure that you all achieve your individual goals. And as you all achieve your individual goals, the club will achieve its. Just remember, why did you join the club? What goals you had in mind, and everything else will follow. In a matter of few months, our club will not be a bud, but a blooming flower. It will be a club with quality, and we all members will make it possible. Trust me, guys, I'm here for you all anytime to support you, motivate you, help you. And together, we will make sure that our club will be one amongst the best club. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Astha. I'm pretty much done with my role as the installation officer. Wish you good luck. And as area director for Area P2, I would like to just say that I'm going to be there in all possible ways to help and support you as much as I possibly can. So wish you good luck once again. And thank you for inviting me for this very important ceremony today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Toastmaster Mohit, for conducting the ceremony so smoothly. Heartiest congratulations to the new executive committee and all the best as you embark on this beautiful journey full of challenges, and we really look forward to your leadership in helping us achieving our goals. Let us please have a big round of applause for the new executive committee. Like already said, the thanking and acknowledging those who've helped us until the present is as important as celebrating something new. We all are well aware of the hard work put into chartering this club by the outgoing executive committee and leading it. So now we move towards the thanksgiving of the outgoing EC. I would like to call each new EC member one by one to express and say a few words. First, please, can we have on stage our incoming president, Toastmaster Astha.
Thank you, Toastmaster Saiba. Being the president of the club, taking care that every meeting happens smoothly, making sure that every EC member is doing the work rightly, being there for the members, and many others are the responsibility Toastmaster Rohan handled so gracefully and so well. He handled every workload from the birth of this club till the day. I doubt if anyone can do it so seamlessly as he did. Always being there for anyone who needed any help is a quality that he possessed, which I admire the most. He has the solution to every question, and of course, he is the king of table topics. I would like to thank him for everything he did for the club and its members. Toastmaster Rohan, you are a gem of a person. You inspire me to become a better person and the amazing president you were. I hope I match your level. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Asta, for those kind words. Next, can we have Toastmaster Richa for thanking our outgoing VP Education?
A very happy new year to each and everyone present here. Being Vice President Education can be scary or at least uneasy. I feel that way because I'm about to serve my first term and I have served as an associate of VP Education. And Toastmaster Iqbal had done justice to this role. Since the day Toastmaster Iqbal had set foot in this club. He has digitalized this club. Everyone can see. Everything is so easy and so smooth. And he's always there to help everyone. From releasing the agenda on time to starting the meeting exactly on time. He has never failed. He has left no stone unturned to fulfill his responsibility. And I wish and I hope that I am able to fill his shoes. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Iqbal, for everything you have done for this club. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Richa. Can we have Toastmaster Chehek to thank our outgoing VP membership?
You. We learn from others. So no matter what stage we are at, there is something that we don't know yet and somebody else does. No one embodies this better than Toastmaster Swati. She is an experienced Toastmaster, but still is so open to learning from others. One incident that comes to my mind is the first time I did an evaluation, and Swati was the general evaluator that day. I clearly remember what she said. She said that she herself could pick up a few things from me. That was quite humbling and at the same time reflective of a true VP membership. Her attitude taught me that new members, combined with an active participation of existing members, bring diverse ideas and thoughts on the table. Swati has always welcomed new members into the club, truly signifying that the more we are, the more we grow. Swati has a unique gift of reaching out to people in a very warm and a very positive manner. She always encourages fellow members to take up roles, be it in meetings or stepping up to take a role in the EC. It was Swati who encouraged me to take up my first big role as the Toastmaster of the day, even before I had delivered my icebreaker. And again, it was Swati who encouraged me to be a part of the EC for the upcoming term. Now, as I begin the role of VP membership, Swati has already extended full help and support so that there is a seamless transfer of responsibilities. Thank you so much, Swati, for all the encouragement that you provided me and numerous other members. I hope I'm able to do justice to the role that you did so well previously. Needless to say, I'm going to reach out to you over the next few weeks as I get a hang of the responsibilities of VP membership. Thank you so much once again.
Yay!
Thank you, Toastmaster Chehek. I guess Toastmaster Swati is on cloud 9 now.
I'm emotional. Thank you, Chehek.
Okay, so next, please welcome Toastmaster Manvi to thank our outgoing VPPR.
Thank you, Toastmaster Saiba. If I say one thing that is most difficult for me is thanking someone. And when it comes to thanking the most hardworking person, even not only the person, as a team, the whole EC in the last few months did so much that we can see the club started from the very scratch and now where it is, we all can witness. But the one person with whom I interacted the most was Toastmaster Saiba. She was the one who actually advertised the club at such a level that each and every person, either from the other club or the club EC officers, were appraising her. Not only our members, but their other members too. And on the personal level, if I say, she was the one whom I irritated the most. She was the one whom I can reach till now, whether it is day or night. She worked tirelessly to grow the club by advertising the club. I wish I can do some percentage of what she did in her previous EC. That was all from my side. Thank you, Toastmaster Saiba, for making the club reach this level today. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Manvi. I'm really flattered. Now, please help me welcome Toastmaster Tariq to thank our outgoing secretary. I think he's not there in the meeting. Okay, we move on to Toastmaster Suchit to thank our outgoing Sergeant at Arms.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, so actually I'm first of all, Happy New Year, everyone. And thanks for, electing me as a EC member, I would say, because I'm fairly new to all the activities that has been happening in the club. And going forward, one of the major reasons that I have chosen the EC position is that, yeah, that will help me to be more part of the club and get into more activities, so I know the whole working of the club. So Richa, I would be really looking forward to time and again to learn what are the how I should be able to reach up to my responsibilities and cope up with those, so that whatever responsibilities that I have been given and I have taken the oath for, I am able to match up to those. And yes, I have seen you. You have been one of the regulars at the meetings, and one of the very first few who is always on time, and who's always there. So there is a lot to learn from you. So yeah, and you had done, I'm sure, whatever responsibility you would have taken, would have done it well only. So going forward, I would request you to abet me in all the responsibility that I have taken now, so that I can also reach up to the standards that you have set. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Sachin. We have Toastmaster Tariq back, so can we have Toastmaster Tariq to thank our outgoing secretary?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for this opportunity, Toastmaster Saiba. And how could I thank the outgoing secretary? She has done a wonderful job, and she has done more than what was expected of her as a secretary. She was able to provide us with very crisp and high quality MOMs, and within just a few hours of the closing of the meeting. And I'm very thankful to her for even educating other people in our Toastmasters club to how to make a presentation more presentable. And I'm hopeful that I will fill her shoes and take this baton forward. Over to you, Toastmaster Saiba.
Thank you, Toastmaster Tariq. Thank you, everyone. So now, as we are done with the installation, are you ready for some enjoyment and fun? Of course, you should be, because we have Toastmaster Vihan and Toastmaster Deepti, who have planned something very special and exciting for all of us. Please help me welcome Toastmaster Deepti.
All right. Hi, everybody. So how are we feeling?
Excited.
I suddenly see so many people join in. Was
Waiting for your
the
session.
announcement
Section
made?
with Barbie.
yes, definitely. A session with Barbie behind me. Okay. And I'm so glad to see the attendance grow back to number 15. Great, great. Okay. So as the Toastmaster Digant rightly said, it's the 2nd of January, start of a new year, excitement, right? So are you guys sitting in your blankets, or you're warm enough to run around? Okay, but I think I will make you run around. So let me quickly share my screen and explain the first game to you. I don't want to, I want you to close. Okay, now you can see. Yes. Okay, so there are two games that we're going to play. The first one is Scavenger Hunt. The second one is Hangman. Okay. Scavenger Hunt. Has anybody heard of this game?
Yeah, we played it in lockdown.
Oh, you did? Good, great. So the lockdown is kind of continued in our virtual meetings. I'll share the hint, and for those of you who've not played this, will get to know in the first round itself. Okay. The only thing is you need to have your shoes or socks on so that you can run around your house. So the ground rules for this game are: everyone is requested to participate with their videos turned on. Okay, so it's an individual game. You have to run for yourself. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a set of 4 things, okay, that you need to find and bring on video. Okay, so it's not one, it's 4 things. Okay, and this is a time-based game. So you have 45 seconds to hunt and find. Okay. I'll be the timer. So the timer is also playing. Okay. Only first 2 people to show me all the 4 things on the screen will be considered winners. Okay. And final decision is of the judges. Okay. So
Who are the judges? Anonymous?
No.
Oh, you will be the judge.
Yes, it's me. So if Toastmaster Vihan is able to join us, then he'll help me. He'll help me be the co-judge, and otherwise, it's me. I am just setting up my timer. Okay. So everybody ready for round 1? Okay. So here are your options. So the first round says you have to find a coin with the least value, 3 different shaped leaves, any carpenter's tool, or the 4th thing is something with which you can see through. Okay. And your time starts now. Go. Get up, people. Go around and run. You don't have to find pictures on Google. Asta, get up. Saiba, Chehek is already on the move. Swati, Mohit, you can also play.
Can you repeat?
Yeah, they're on the screen. A coin with least value, 3 different shaped leaves, any carpenter's tools, and something with which you can see through.
Okay.
Leaves can be artificial leaves also. I'll give you
Okay.
that.
Got it.
Got it? You've gotten everything?
Yes.
Wow.
3 things I've got.
Find
And,
the 4th. Find the 4th. Quick. Quick.
What is that? A carpenter's tool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So the time is up. Time is up. Everybody back.
Okay.
Okay. So you can show me whatever you have got, and maybe we can declare a winner with the maximum number of things.
I have the coin.
So something to see through.
I have 4 things.
Wait. Do it one by one.
Tool.
Okay. Wait, Tariq, yes. Toastmaster Tariq. So what tool do you have?
A screwdriver, I think.
Okay.
Or something like that. And something to see through.
How can I see through the mask?
Oh. I'll show you.
No, we cannot.
You can.
Cheating.
I got 4 things.
Oh, wow. Who got
And
4
these are
things?
the leaves.
I got 4
The leaves, they're all
I got 3
the
things.
same. Okay, so next, who wants to show?
Anusha.
Toastmaster Anusha. Yes, please show.
Okay, spectacle to see through.
Okay, where are they?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Then 3 coins, 1.
Okay, what's the least value of the coin that you have?
1 rupee.
Okay, 1 rupee, great.
And I have a hammer.
Okay.
And I have 3 different leaves. 1, 2.
Okay.
And 3.
Wow, that's awesome. That is some hard work and smart work.
Yeah.
Okay, so any challenger? Any challenger? Anybody else who's gotten 4 things and a coin with least value, which is lesser than 1
Coin
rupee?
with least value, but not all the 4 things.
Okay, how much do you have?
25 paise.
Wow, that's awesome. So we once played this with my office team, and the winner actually got a 10 paisa coin out, and he had pulled it out from his son's collection book. So for which he had to gift his son a voucher though. So but great. So the winner for this round is Toastmaster Anusha. Great. But don't lose heart. We have another round. Okay. Ready for the next one? So I'll start the timer once I've read out all the options. I think that will be fair. Hai na? Okay. What if you don't understand my handwriting? Okay. So the second round. The options are a knife, a red fruit, a yellow cloth, and a white vegetable. And your time starts Na.
Can you repeat it?
Yes. Knife, red
Uh-huh.
fruit,
Uh-huh.
yellow cloth, and a white vegetable.
Okay.
I like that, Toastmaster Tariq. You were already on the hunt around
Red fruit,
red fruit, yellow cloth, white vegetable, and a knife.
yellow cloth. I think I've got it.
I have got it too.
Wow, that's awesome. People are already and we still have time left. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Okay, so who's the first one who wants to show?
Me.
Okay, we'll give it to you, Asta, because you called out.
Okay, knife,
Okay.
red fruit, strawberry,
Wow.
yellow cloth,
Okay.
and white vegetable.
Awesome. Very nice. But Swati, you can go ahead and show your collection as well.
So my knife has some cake on it.
Wow.
Please bear it.
That's to make us feel jealous.
So yeah, you can. Red fruit, apple, yellow cloth,
Okay.
and white vegetable.
Wow. So this is a favorite vegetable with all of us these days, huh? Good. Any other contenders?
I am there. I also got everything.
Wow. This round, was it fairly easy?
I got a knife,
Yeah.
a white vegetable,
Oh, that's a good one.
and strawberry, and the yellow cloth.
Oh, awesome. Good. Great. Thank you, people, for participating. So the winner for this round will be Toastmaster Asta, because she has gotten all the 4 things. Toastmaster Tariq, you also raised your hand at that. So have you-
Yeah, I got it, but Asta
She was the one.
said it
Yeah,
first,
time.
so I left it.
But you can show.
Maybe in the next round.
Okay.
Do we have?
Yes, we have one more round. Okay, ready for the next round? All right, here goes the options. Anything blue, a photograph, which is a hard copy photograph, not from the phone. Something that makes noise, that's number 3, and a clean pair of socks. I repeat, anything blue, time has started by the way now. A photograph or a hard copy of you, something that makes noise, and a clean pair of socks.
I have everything.
Who's that?
Richa.
Oh, good.
Something that makes noise, kuch ghungru jaisa.
हाँ, ढूंढो.
I also got.
Wow,
Stickers.
awesome. Okay, we still have time. Who else? Toastmaster. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time up.
Okay,
I've got it.
Wow. I'm glad.
Does the photograph count like this? It is there on my card.
Yes,
it
it
counts,
can
right?
count. It can count. That's smart thinking.
Yeah.
Okay, so since Toastmaster Richa was the first one to call it out, you can please go ahead and share your stuff. No. I didn't see. What was it? Anything blue? Okay. What was the blue thing?
T-shirt, blue
Okay.
T-shirt.
Okay.
Photograph,
Okay. That's nice.
clean pair of socks.
Okay. And something that makes noise?
Speakers.
Oh, awesome. Good. Okay. So Toastmaster Saiba,
Yeah, anything blue,
right? A pouch.
a photograph,
Okay, that's nice.
something that makes noise, my phone,
That was smart.
and a clean pair of socks.
Wow. That's cool.
Are they really clean, Saiba?
Yes, totally clean.
So from the screen, of course, it will appear clean to us. Okay, Toastmaster Asta.
Yeah, is some anything blue file,
Okay.
and then the photo. I kept it back.
You could have shown a roll number wala card or something, है ना?
No, it's my childhood picture.
Okay, that's cute.
Socks and something that makes noise. Pile.
Oh, that's nice. Good, good, good.
My mom is here helping me.
That's cheating.
Yeah, we're already playing in teams, huh? Okay. Who else had said Toastmaster?
Me. Oh,
Show Toastmaster Sana. Please show.
so blue is my bottle.
Okay.
This is me with my parents
Wow.
and my socks. And
Can you zoom into the picture, Sana?
no.
Can you zoom into the
I
picture?
look horrible.
It's
I don't
beautiful.
think zoom in. And my phone that can create a lot of noise. Yeah.
Okay. Good. but like we have, it's like first come first basis. So Toastmaster Richa is the winner for this particular round.
Party!
Yay. I know. The three of you can give a party. Toastmaster Anshu, Asta, and Richa. Yay. Good. Right. So we had 3 rounds for this game. And now that you're charged and warmed up, let's go on to the next game. Hangman. Anybody remembers Hangman from school days?
Yes.
So we also used to call it Bollywood. Remember now? So what we'll do is, the theme is movies. Okay. I've divided each of us into 3 teams. Okay. And given ourselves a funky name. Okay. If you want, you can go ahead and change names also. Okay. And you can choose. Okay. Each of the teams can choose from either a Bollywood movie or an English movie. Okay. Or pick up a random category. Okay. Now, how we will go about it is, we'll start with team 1. Okay. They have to guess a letter. Okay. If they get it right, it'll automatically appear in the blank below. Okay. Whichever movie name is there. If not, we pass it on to team 2. Okay. Team 2 guesses a letter. Or they can even guess the movie name if they're smart enough. So can team 1. Okay. Then it moves on to team 3 and then back to team 1. So we'll go like that so that each of the teams is involved in every Hangman quiz. Okay. But your team has only 10 seconds to guess a letter or guess the name. Okay. So let me share the rules. So we are divided into 3 teams, 10 seconds to each team to guess a letter or a movie name. Chance is passed on to the next team. Okay. And team which guesses the movie name is the winner. Okay. And so we'll automatically have 3 rounds because we are 3 teams. Okay. So here are the team names. Chhota Chhatri, the first team, has Toastmaster Advait, Toastmaster Anshu, Toastmaster Asta, and Toastmaster Manvi. So you guys are Chhota Chhatri, okay?
Okay.
Toastmaster, the second team is Surma Bhopali, Toastmaster Saiba, Toastmaster Swati, Toastmaster Suchit, and Toastmaster Sana. Okay. And third, Papu Pager is Toastmaster Chehek, Toastmaster Digant, Toastmaster Tariq, and Toastmaster Richa. Did I miss out anybody?
Yeah.
The team names.
I will be having some work, so you can remove me from the team. I will be just back in few minutes.
How could
And
you
you can
forget
add
me?
Toastmaster Anusha.
Yes, sure.
And we have Aditya here also, and then we have Toastmaster Mohit. We can't leave him out.
Yeah. We can definitely not leave him out. I think, so we have Toastmaster Anusha and Toastmaster Mohit. I'll put in here because Digant is stepping out for some time. Okay, so when you join back, Toastmaster Digant, you can join.
No. You can remove me. Just I have some call for work. Okay, so I will be back after. Probably I
After the
will not be
meeting.
throughout this game.
Okay, sure. No worries. Take care. Yeah. Okay, so we have Toastmaster Mohit here.
And Toastmaster Aditya also.
Oh, nice. So what I'll do is I'll put the M's here. Manvi, Toastmaster Manvi, can I change your team name? Can I make you a Pappu Pager instead of Chota Chatri?
No, we want Toastmaster Manvi Chota Chatri.
Okay, we have. So basically what I've done is, since it becomes easier to remember, so all A's are Chota Chatris and all S's are Surma Bhopalis and the mixed bag is Pappu Pager. Okay, so let's start the round with the Chota Chatri. Okay.
What a beautiful name.
Thank you. So Chota Chatris, which movie would you like to pick? A Bollywood movie, a Hollywood movie, or just a random category?
Bollywood.
Bollywood?
Team, come on, team.
Okay, so can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I... All right. So the Bollywood movie name is here. Okay. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you guys are lucky. 5 alphabets and you have 6 chances.
Can't see.
You can't see?
No, can't see.
No.
Okay. I think I removed the share by mistake.
No, we can still see that presentation with teams showing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, 1 second. I'll just remove the share and because I shared the application, I think just the PowerPoint. So that is why. Okay. Now. All right. Now I'm sure you can see. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So team Chota Chatri, your time starts now. One person who can guess the letter. Which letter do you want to guess? Quick. Team Chota Chatri.
A.
A.
Okay. Let's see. No, sorry, there are no A's. So we move on to Surma Bhopali. Your time starts now. One person who can guess?
E.
E?
Yeah, E for elephant.
Okay. No, there are no E's. Move on to the third, Pappu Pages.
S.
Yeah. Sorry, S is not.
It is.
No, the word is incorrect. You can check the letter S.
Oh, okay. Sorry. But then no. Yeah. Okay, back to the first team.
I.
No. Just 2 more chances to go. Surma Bhopali.
T.
T for telephone. Okay.
Yeah.
No. Oh, yes, we have. Right. And the last one. Move on to the third team.
O.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
With any, so the first team, any guesses for the name of the movie? If you want to take a chance at that, because we still have 1 chance left. Chota Chatri, come on. Take a guess.
No clue. Team.
So do you want an alphabet?
Yeah, we can go with the alphabet.
Batao.
R. Yeah, I think R will work. I have a suspicion. Yeah.
Now we can. Who
Can
wants
I?
to guess?
Can I?
Yeah, which team? Yeah.
Can I?
Can I?
Can
Can I?
I?
Robot.
Robot.
Okay, let's do one thing. Now, instead of saying can I, just say Pappu Pager Mohit wants to reply. Okay? Or
Arre.
Chota Chhatri robot.
I knew.
so you could have said Pappu Pager Mohit.
We were going turn by turn. No, you said that
Yeah.
we'll go turn by turn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't say it.
Oh, okay. So nice. So beta.
It's a big loss.
Yes. Okay. So there we have it. Robot. Okay. Okay. Now let's play the next round with starting with the next team. So okay. What we'll do is anybody who wants to guess can can raise their hands, or probably because I'm not able to see you guys, so you can say the team name with your name. Okay, Chota Chhatri, Astha, I want to make a guess. Okay, that is how you say.
But guess the word only, na?
Only the
Not guess the
word,
letter.
not the letter. So for letters, we'll go team by team so that everybody gets a fair chance. But
Great.
for guessing the movie name, we'll
Okay.
yeah, your team name and your name, and then say I want to guess.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Good. So the team B, Surma Bhopali. Which movie do you want to pick? A Bollywood movie or just a random category?
Bollywood. What do you say,
Yeah.
Sana Saiba?
Yeah. Bollywood. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So let's. Oh.
Oh
so
God.
long.
Six.
Okay. So, Surma Bhopali, you get the first chance to get guess an alphabet.
A.
Oh yeah.
A. Okay. Yes.
Mhm.
This is.
Pappu
Pager?
Pager wants to guess.
Huh?
Right.
Andhadhun.
Ah!
Yes. Let's see. Andhadhun.
No.
No, wait.
Yes.
No.
No. Okay.
S.
-5.
S. Guess a letter S.
No.
No.
So we can always try one more alphabet from Andhadhun. No? Okay, whose turn is it now? Pappu Pager.
No.
No, my turn. Our team turn.
Chota Chhatri
Chota
Astha.
Chhatri. हाँ.
Chota Chhatri Astha.
Oh.
So what did you say? Which alphabet?
Oh.
Oh, acha, I thought you were just exclaiming. Okay, no, sorry, O is gone. So Surma Bhopali.
P.
P for Papa.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, it's there. So this is definitely not Andhadhun. Okay.
I can say my name is Tariq.
No, what's the team name?
What is my team name? I don't know. Is it Agnipath?
Wait, you are Pappu Pager. So say Pappu Pager, Tariq wants to say.
PP Tariq Agnipath.
No, you have to
No,
speak
you have to
complete.
say the full name.
Pappu Pager Agnipath. AJAGNEE.
Yes. Good. Very nice.
We got one.
Great. Okay. So now it's the turn for Pappu Pagers. Would you want to continue with the Bollywood movie?
Bollywood.
Yeah.
Okay,
Bollywood.
great. All right. So you have a pretty short name, 5-letter word. Okay. So you get to make the first guess.
Check, you do it.
A.
Okay.
Ah.
Chota Chhatri.
S.
S. Okay. No, there's no S's. Moving on to Surma Bhopali.
I would like to guess the movie. Mohit Sahani from Pappu Pager.
The
Yay.
full sentence nahi chalega. Pappu
Yay.
Pager.
Pappu Pager, what?
Mohit.
Pappu Pager Mohit wants to say Anand.
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 No.
Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry, team.
Judge is biased.
Overconfident.
Okay, I want to guess the letter
Yeah,
since
so,
it was our turn.
yes, it's Surma Bhopali.
R.
R. Very nice. Okay, so now Pappu Pages. One more guess for a letter, or do you want to guess?
Angar.
Yes.
Is that a movie?
The
Please
word
use
Aadhaar.
N.
Aadhaar.
N.
So give
No.
me one. Pappu Pages, give me one, either a letter or a movie.
Angar movie. Is there a movie by that name?
Yes, there is.
I believe there is. ANGAR.
No, double name.
N.
Only one name.
Okay, single. No.
Sorry, team. I keep disappointing you.
Okay, so you lost.
I got it. Surma Bhopali Swati.
Yes.
Avatar.
Oh yeah. But it's a Hollywood movie.
Oh.
It's a Hollywood movie.
That's
Sorry.
Chota Chhatri.
I can try. Sorry. Pappu Pager Chehek.
Yes, Pappu Pager Chehek.
Aksar. AKSAR.
S-A-R.
Aksar. Okay.
what movie is that?
S is already gone.
Oh, I didn't realize. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Not
It's
very
okay, Pappu Pager. That's fine.
Can we use the word K? Can we use the choose a letter K?
Okay. That is Pappu Pager.
Yeah.
Our team is getting very desperate to win.
The game is over and the movie name is Anwar. I haven't heard of it though. Anwar.
Yeah, it's a movie which has a song na Mola Mere.
Oh, acha, it's from that movie. Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Our hangman is dead.
So,
We all killed him together.
I know, poor thing. We pushed him up the stairs. All right. So we have more time for more games. We can play multiple rounds for this, or do you want to try?
One more.
One more.
One more.
Yeah, we want to win.
We have already won.
Oh, we did?
Yes.
It already has 1 point.
Oh, wow. I didn't realize.
Okay. So this is for Chota Chhatri to start. Okay. So it's a 3-letter
A.
A. Okay, let's try. No, there are no
Can
A.
I guess the movie?
Yes, Surma Bhopali Sana. What did you say?
Run. R-U-N. Run.
Run. No. Or did you?
Surma Bhopali Swati.
Chota Chhatri.
No, I said first.
Yes. No, I don't want to guess.
I want to guess the movie.
Yes, Surma Bhopali Swati.
Dawn. D-O-N. Dawn.
Okay. Yay! You're so smart. Good.
We won something.
Awesome. Okay, since we made a guess real quick, I think we can play one more. Hai na?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we have 5 alphabets now. Okay. And in this round, if you make a word guess and you get it wrong, your team is out. Okay.
Cool.
Okay. Chalo. Yeah. That will give some guards to Pappu Pages. Okay. So this is for Surma Bhopalis. Yes, you can start.
You.
Okay. No, there are no U's. Pappu Pages.
A.
Okay. Yes, there's an A. Back to Chota Chhatri.
Toastmaster Advait. You choose.
E.
B.
E,
for
E.
com- E.
E for elephant.
Elephant. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, that's a good guess, Toastmaster Advait. Chota Chhatri.
Thank you.
Okay. Over to Surma Bhopalis.
Someone guessing from our team or not?
H.
H. Okay. No. Pappu Pages.
R.
Okay. Yes. A guess on the movie, Chota Chhatri. Do you want to take that?
I want to guess the movie. What's her name?
Pager, check.
Pappu Pager Chehek.
Pappu Pager Chehek. I want to guess the movie.
Okay, sure.
Ready. DY Ready.
Oh.
Oh.
I hope.
Looks like that. Yes.
Yes.
Pappu Pagers are pretty smart, huh?
I was a part of Pappu Pager mentally.
Okay, that's great. So with that, guys, we're done with the fun session. And I hope you guys enjoyed.
Yay!
With the Chota Chhatri,
Thank you.
the Surma Bhopalis and the Pappu Pagers. And I hand it back to our MC for...
Who won?
Who won?
Pappu Pagers.
Pappu Pagers. I know you won't mind speaking out your name with Pappu Pager now that you won. Okay, great. So over to you, Saiba, Toastmaster Saiba. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Deepti. Thank you so much for engaging everyone and making us run in an online meeting as well.
Thank you.
Okay, so with this, we come to an end with the installation ceremony and the fun session for today. And the new EC is installed. Once again, all the best to the new executive committee and a very big thank you to Toastmaster Mohit for conducting the installation ceremony, Toastmaster Deepti for hosting such a fun session for all of us. Thank you so much, everyone. And with this, we end the meeting for today.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.